Hey there, folks. I'm Stu.
And I'm Edie Beans. We are from the Little House of Beans.
And today we are doing a quick video that is not cooking, but is more of a thank you video, because if you're watching this, we have officially hit 4,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. As a thank you for your support throughout the 3 years. Are we doing this 3 years now?
Yes, 3.
2021-ish. Almost 3 years. We're going to do a giant giveaway of a whole bunch of products that the Omnia family has given to us, and in turn, we'll give it to you. And while we're on the topics of thank yous, we're going to just start off right now thanking the London family, Goran, Eric, and
Gustav.
As well as the extended London family that we haven't met. But those guys send these products over to us, and we hand them over to you when we do giveaways and things of that nature. But we've had dinner with them a couple of times, and we would just like to say thank you.
Eric, the supermodel, and Gustav, who's cool.
He is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you to the London family. But of course, you don't reach 4,000 subscribers without all of you guys. So we're going to do this giveaway as our big thank you to you.
We are giving away 5 prizes. Let's start with the 4th and the 5th. And that will be an electronic version of our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. 4th and 5th prize.
The 3rd prize, so as Edie said, we'll do 5 different random drawings. We use that little random YouTube comment picker thing. So the 3rd prize will be 2 items here that we got with our own money some time ago on the German Amazon, right? This is before the Omnia guys came up with silicone liners, but there's a company called Style, or style.de, and they came out with silicone liners. So we have a couple of prizes here for the 3rd prize, and this is a set of silicone liners. There's 3 here. 1, 2, 3 that fit into your Omnia oven. So we're going to give away these, and I bet not a lot of people know this exists. And Eric and Gustav, you guys are watching. I'm still waiting for you guys to come out with one of these. This is a cover for the Omnia oven. So if you just cook stuff and you want to cover it, whether you have mosquitoes or bugs, or you want to throw it in the fridge for a later cook, this is a nice silicone cover.
Or transport.
Or transport, yeah. So this will sit right on your Omnia oven, fits perfectly. And in addition to the Style silicone products, we'll also give away a copy of Edie's book in electronic version. So that'll be your 3rd prize.
And what's the 2nd?
2nd prize, Edie, if you'd like to talk about this.
Okay. 2nd prize is a new boxed Omnia oven, and that includes the pan, the lid, and of course the
stainless base.
The stainless base. Hello. The base, the Omnia, and the cover. So this is 2nd prize, and part of the 2nd prize is the Omnia thermometer. And then we have this silicone mold in gray. This is a nice gray. And an electronic version of Outdoor Cooking with Edie. So let me repeat that. For 2nd prize, the giveaway is a new Omnia oven, a thermometer, the silicone liner, and electronic version of Outdoor Cooking with Edie. That's a great 2nd prize.
I think it is too, yeah. You know, we often cook with 2 Omnia ovens. So either that, or maybe you hold on to it and give it to somebody else. It's always good to forward your stuff to other people, to introduce them to our...
Pay it forward.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Pay it forward. All right, and 1st prize, I'm just going to start feeding you stuff.
Sure.
So out of the 5 drawings, this will be the 1st prize. You can start with this. Do you know what this is called, Edie? Because we don't use one.
Oh, it's an Eva case.
Yeah.
Nice, it's sturdy. So first prize, Eva case. We have the trivet or trivet. Very nice. And, ooh, we have the cooler bag and the aluminum liners. I think it's a 5-pack.
Yeah, and there's 2 in there.
And there's a 2.
And this thing.
Hold this.
Did you say what this is?
Nope, not yet. So the cooler bag, 2 liners, 5 each, 5 pans each. And
this comes with the cool bag. This is the ice pack, which you'll throw in the freezer, and it'll harden up nice and flat. And then you can put 2 of these doodads in there. We did a review on this bag. I'll put the link up above one of our heads. We did a review of the Omnia Cool Bag, including a temperature test. So you'll get 10 of these, this guy, the trivet.
And the Eva case.
Wait, Edie, there's one more.
Yeah. This is a great one.
And we'll give away the Omnia silicone separators. So this comes in halves, it comes in quarters. I'm not going to take it out of the oven. You guys can, out of the oven. You guys can see the picture of the different size molds. It all fits in the Omnia. You have these little tabs here. You can pull it up. And so that all of that will be the first prize.
But wait, there's more. As part of the first prize,
Yeah, I forgot this.
you will have a choice. Either the electronic version of the cookbook or a paperback version of our cookbook. And that's right, I will sign it for the #1 winner. That's a great first prize. I love it.
So how, do you ask, do you become eligible to win these awesome 5 different prizes? Well, 1, you have to be a subscriber to our YouTube channel. That's how we got here to begin with. And also, you should be a member of our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Bing! And in the comments below, you should just say, Happy 4K.
Happy 4K.
We have nothing witty to ask. No Eric is a model, no Gustav is cool, no Edie has a Michelin star, none of that. So just say...
Stu hates broccoli.
I do
Nothing
hate
like
broccoli.
that.
I hate broccoli.
Happy 4K.
Yeah.
Simple.
So that's all you need to do is to be eligible. One more quick time. Be a subscriber to the YouTube channel, be a member of our Facebook group, and in the comments below of this video, Happy 4K. As far as shipping goes, we will ship at our cost anywhere in the world except for, we never ship to Zimbabwe.
Do we have any members from Zimbabwe?
We don't. That's why we don't ship there. Yeah, so we'll take care of the shipping at our cost. The only thing we can't take care of, if there's a tax issue, that's on you guys. But anywhere in the U.S. and Canada and the rest of the world, except for Zimbabwe, these prizes will come to you at no cost.
That's fun.
It is
That's
fun.
great.
So in closing, I would like to say thank you to everybody who watches the channel, whether you're a subscriber or not. We have made some good friendships, like with Kevin and Barbara from Camp Outside, and we're making friendships every time we go camping and we share our food. Though the great thing about food is that it is an international language, so there could be fighting in all parts of the world, and food brings everybody together, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons why Edie and I continue to do this. It's not to get more subscribers. Believe me, 4K is not a lot of subscribers in the grand scheme of all of YouTube. But it's a labor of love. It's in my case, I love to eat, and I think speaking for Edie, Edie has traveled everywhere and she has cooked everywhere, and I think it's a labor of love. So thank you to everybody.
Thank you for spending time with us and returning to the Little House of Beans. And if you're new, we encourage you to subscribe. We're excited to have you on our journey, and look forward to bringing you more content that you'll love. Thank you for being part of our tribe. And remember, please comment on this video. Happy 4K.
So that's it, folks. I'm Stu Beans.
Edye Beans, we are from the Little House of Beans.
Thank you very much, guys. We appreciate you all.
Thank you.